Here we are, first part of stripping the vice down. Not 100% sure what I've got to do, but I'll give it a go. Can't be that hard, can it? I think there's a couple of screws on the front of this here. One here, one here. This one's loose and has been since I've had it. So I think I'm going to try to take that one off, see what happens. Just getting used to where I need to point things. It's a bit different than if you're just tearing stuff down on your own. Also remembering to talk as well is a bit of an odd thing. That's them out of there. So that to me looks like some sort of retaining clip of some description. Well, that's this piece off. Oh, yeah, there we go. The quick release and the retaining clip. The screw in the handle. So then this should, nope, thought that might pull out there. There's a couple of bolts under here, one there, and they're holding in this, what used to catch the thread, I would assume. We've got a socket that fits that. Right, let's see if that works. That's one. That's the second one. Retaining plate. And that is what was holding everything in. I imagine these catch on the threads when you activate that lever and pull it sideways. It pulls it down so you can slide it out. Yeah, lovely and greasy. But now there we go. Two pieces. As you can see, lovely and heavy, nice and strong as well. Just to give you a bit of comparison on the video, I'll grab a tape measure. You know, we're a fair size. I mean, that's I don't know if that'll focus on the camera. To the front here, just about 17 inches. So it's fair size. Right, well that's the thing in pieces. Just take them two jaws off and that'll be that. Next step will be stripping it and prepping it for paint. Don't know quite what the best way to do that would be. I think I might try it with some paint stripper first, see if we can get all this red off. It's a lovely red, but not my colour really. Silver on top and covered in weld spatter, which I think I'm going to have to grind off. Yeah, I'll just grab an Allen key and see if I can get those off. Are they Imperial? That is the question. Yes, they are. There's one out of there. There's a bit missing out of there, but not much I can do about that really. And again, at the end of the day, a freebie's a freebie. Not to be looked at. And ideally, I'll be able to hold this in a vise. Bit ironic that I need a vise to take my vise apart, but there we go. I don't know if you could hear on camera while I was grabbing my Allen keys, I knocked over my pressure washer. Just now a heap on the floor. Snapped off bolt in there. That's going to be fun. Done plenty of those in my time, but never on camera, and you guarantee I'll mess it up. Just lay this out and then I'll give you a close-up shot of what we got. There we are. Got a quick release blade on the left, as you can see here, if I get my finger in the right place. Jaws, the retainer that holds, I'm not 100% sure what that would be called, but I'm going to go with the half nut. And there's your handle with the lead screw, I guess. Got your base, and then you got the moving jaw. I suppose that would be called a fixed jaw. Moving jaw, fixed jaw. I'm going with that. Could be wrong. There we go. I guess that's part one.